Okay, hello, welcome back again to our training video here in this channel, Chima Dedicated Video channel today. Friends, what we'll be doing today is on YouTube branding. Yes, when it comes to branding your YouTube channel, there are a lot of things you need to do. One, you need a YouTube banner art, a kind of what we call cover page, like you're going to have on Facebook and other places. So you need to have this. When it comes to branding, you need to have your logo for the profile picture of your YouTube channel. You need to have the cover page, and you need to have a watermark image, something like has to do with subscribe, subscription button is very important. So that of a subscription button, you can always download it from online. You may not need to design it yourself, but you can still do the design yourself. There's no problem. You can do that with Canva. Now I'm on this Canva page, but let us just look at that of the banner art. So I'm going to go here now. I can search from these templates. You see the video template, YouTube thumbnail, mobile videos, logos, and also remember you need logo too. So I'm not going to do everything here because the same way you're going to prepare your YouTube ads by doing some editing, that's the same way you do logo. So when you want to get the logo for your YouTube branding, just go here, choose any of these, layers, any of the templates, use it and do the right editing. Now, but let's go to that of YouTube channel art, and that's the YouTube banner. Now, I want to show you something. So look at this. I want to click on see all so that I can make choice from the arrays of options here. Now, let's quickly open it. So now you can see this. So many of them. You can see it. You can see it. Now, while you are doing this, especially if you are doing this as a newbie, you don't need to go for pro versions because pro versions are going to pay. After doing all your design, for you to download, you need to pay for them. So make sure, like this one now you see on top, is free. These ones are free. These ones are free. These ones are free. But this one now you see pro. You can see pro version. So you don't need to go for it. You see the one that is called paid. Why is this one paid and this one is pro version? What does it mean? Now you see this paid because I belong to a particular team. That team this is a pro version actually, but they have been paid for. So that's why I can still use it. But you may not see this one as paid. You still need to pay for it. So all these pro versions, try to avoid them. Very, very, very important. Now, when you must have seen the one you want, you make a choice. Now, there's something I want to point out why designing this, and that's exactly what I'm going to do now. Let me show you why designing this. There's something very, very, very important. Okay, let me assume that I want to use this. Just looking for the one to use. Okay, let me use this one on top. Let me use this one on top. Now, when you're editing this, now let me show you something because that's the key thing. I'm not going to do all of this editing for you. Now, if you are going to upload this in your YouTube channel art as a cover page, your YouTube banner image, mostly the areas covered are just like this. It's not always more than this. So when you are editing this, if you are putting something on top of this place or here, when you want to upload, you see those things will be lost. So don't just go about covering the entire place. Just concentrate on this middle place. Okay, let's for instance now, what am I going to do? I want to change this image and put my own. So I click on this. Okay, sorry. I click on this. Now I delete frame. I want to click because I doubled it before. I want to delete frame because, okay, let me delete image because I want to add my own. Now, having done that, I can change the image. I want to put my own image. Okay, I go to gallery. Quickly. Now, not to waste time, let me go to camera because that's where I have the image I want to put quickly. Okay, to camera. Okay, let me use this. Okay, I picked this particular image. Okay, I add it. Just watch. Okay, I'm going to bring it here because this is where I want to put it. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. Yeah, it has entered. You understand? Now, let me see. Let's say I want to use this. I click on edit to change this. Okay, this is my, let me use this for my English class. Okay, let me use, let's say, digital maths tutor. I have a channel, a new channel like this. So at this point, I've used this digital math tutor, and I think I love this color. If I don't like the color, I can, edit and edit the color, bring the another color that I want. Maybe this. No. I can also touch this to make it lighter. Okay, maybe I want something like this. Like this. No. Okay. Okay, this is it. Now, this rider, I can decide to delete it or still put something there. You understand? So whichever one. Now let me delete it. Assuming I don't want it. Now, I can delete this one too. So whatever you don't want, delete it. The ones you can edit, you edit it. That's how it goes. Now this one that is subscribed, I can decide to bring it closer here, so that I will make sure that everything is on here. So at this point, I feel I'm done. Now, if I still want to change image, this, because this is dealing with mathematics, now I can decide to, go on Google online, download images that have to relate with mathematics and attach close if I feel that that's what I want. But if that's not what I want, at this moment, I can decide to download it. So when I want to download, what do? I click on this. See this arrow, this download arrow. I click on it, and this thing will download. Just let's watch. Remember, I can still add some other things here. If you are new to Canva design as a beginner, you can go through our playlist on Canva, tutorials, and go through some basics all of how to edit, everything you need to do on Canva. You go through that video, you're going to learn all of these things. But just for the sake of this particular video, that's what we are just doing here. So I've downloaded this. At this moment, if I also prepare my logo like this, have this one right now, then all I need to do is to go to, my YouTube channel, and I'm going to show you how to do it. If you go through the app, you're not going to get it. Then I just fix it up. So what you're going to do, if you're watching this video now, you're interested in this, make sure you watch our follow-up video on this, and you need to subscribe, hit the notification bell, so that when we release these follow-up videos, you're going to get in touch with you. You're going to know what is going on. So get the follow-up video on how to do this and brand your YouTube channel. We'll call it YouTube channel branding, customization. Be able to have your logo. That's why if you visit some YouTube channels, you see them, everything. You even see the person's picture, everything well designed. This is what is called branding, and everyone can do it. So make sure you follow up in what we are doing. Like this video and don't forget to share it. I stop at this moment. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.